Hey, welcome back to my channel, Naturally Fab Me, and you're tuned into another one of my videos. Today's video is how I achieve this high puff, my favorite go-to style. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So you will need a few items: a knee high, some bobby pins, and of course a comb to do the picking out. So the first thing I'm going to do is brush my edges and kind of gather the hair in the back so it can form my puff. I don't really use any product at this time, and I just kind of pick it out to get it really fluffy. And by the way, this is an old twist out that I am doing this high puff on. So I take my knee high and I gather it around my head. And you want to make sure that you gather all the hair and there's no hair caught in the knee high. And it should look like this with both ends where you can tie them in the front. So you're gonna go ahead and tighten it, not too tight. And as you tighten it, you're gonna pull the hair from the back and pull it up. And you're gonna constantly continue to tighten. Depending on how big you want it is how tight you get it. You're left with the two ends, and we're gonna hide that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bobby pins and I'm going to tuck one end under at a time and just kind of like tuck it in the puff so it doesn't show. And then the last step is basically shaping it. If you want it really puffy, then you just keep playing with it. As you can see, my puff is almost out of the frame. So I really like a really high fluffy puff. So yeah, and you just kind of have to play with it until you get it the way you want it. And edge control is totally optional. If you want it real sleek, then you can add some edge control to get that sleekness, or you can just leave it, as a textured high puff. I do it both ways, honestly. And then kind of brush that in, and there is my high puff. It's so easy, and it's my favorite go-to style. Comment down below if you rock a high puff too, and I mean, I can rock it for days and just love it. Well, as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram, Naturally Fab Me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!